Good morning. Just got back from the gym and gonna make some good old eggies for breakfast. That's pretty much my go-to every day after my workout. A lot of good protein, and I just think they taste awesome. Usually, I like to eat before I go to the gym. Something like oatmeal or toast or something, just a lot of carbs, give me a lot of energy. But lately I've been doing fasted workouts because I'm just getting up, rolling out of bed, and going right to the gym. Not as much energy as I'd like, but my macros and my calories are a lot lower now that I am like a little over 5 weeks after my competition. And I work at least an 8 to 10 hour day every day. So I want to make sure that I have enough calories and macros to keep me full and energized while I'm working, because that's important. So, because I just got back from the gym, did a little cardio today. I was gonna do back and shoulders, but I was just way too sore. Everything was sore today. So I kind of just rearranged my workout plan a little bit. Did some cardio. Also, practice posing because I have another posing lesson on Saturday morning, and I haven't been practicing as much, so I need to practice my posing. And I swear, every time I practice posing, I think people think I'm like a stripper or something, prancing around in those clear high heels. I've posted a picture before, but I could post another one later of them. And yeah, so throughout this process, I've kind of just learned not to really give two craps what people think based on that. And it was a good posing session. I am still trying to figure out how to get into my front pose because we changed it up a little bit. It's a little uncomfortable and I tend to fall over every time. But practice makes perfect, and I'm gonna keep getting better. I will post a video of posing once I get a little bit better at it and a little more comfortable with walking in the heels. So I'm just gonna eat my eggs and cantaloupe for breakfast, and I hope you guys all have a fabulous Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. You got this.